Brilliant no-bake dessert with Jaffa biscuits and cola. Place the Jaffa biscuits with cherry filling in the spring-form pan. Add powdered sugar to the bowl with cream cheese. Mix briefly. Pour in the whipping cream. Mix the cream until it becomes smooth. Spread an even layer of cream over the biscuits. Pour Coca Cola into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add the starch diluted in water. Boil, stirring continuously until it thickens. Put a few tablespoons of cooled jelly into the pan. Mix gently with the cream. Add the remaining cream and level the surface. Add cola jelly and mix gently. Level the surface with a spatula and put the pan in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Unwrap a Kinder chocolate egg and place it on a mug. Fill the chesve with water and ground coffee. Boil the coffee in the usual way. Pour coffee over the chocolate. Cover the cream layer with melted dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Cut a few glazed biscuits into pieces. Decorate the cake with biscuit pieces and chill for 1 hour. Anyone can call themselves a master pastry chef if they make this impressive cake with Jaffa biscuits, cola jelly, and chocolate glaze. It melts in your mouth.